Discover the power of Smartsheet's AI and advanced prompt engineering in accelerating problem solving. See how we transform complex challenges into efficient solutions. Starting from our strategic transformation dashboard, we will now jump direct into our Kanban board. See how a complex challenge is distilled into a 20-character insight, showcasing the precision of our approach. Moving forward, we see the AI evolving, not just summarizing, but also suggesting actionable improvements, marking a step forward in solution-oriented analysis. Next, watch as we take a strategic leap, categorizing issues in an Ishikawa, guiding us towards targeted, effective solutions. Delving deeper, we now analyze the broader impacts on lean waste categories, bringing a comprehensive and insightful approach to the forefront. We conclude by balancing quick solutions and strategic investments, showcasing Smartsheet's AI in transforming complex challenges into efficient solutions. Weaver Lighthouse Consulting's, your trusted certified Smartsheet partner. Embrace the future of problem-solving with us. Reach out now to unlock your potential. Thank you for watching.